The View 75mm professional filter holder provides filmmakers and photographers a lighter weight and more compact solution when using drop-in filters with their mirrorless cameras. The kit includes one 75mm filter holder, one 67mm lens mounting ring, one hex key, and additional filter rails and screws to expand the capacity of the filter holder from two 75mm filters to 3. Capable of simultaneously holding two 75mm wide drop-in filters and one 67mm circular polarizer, this filter holder features a patented control ring which allows a 67mm View Scion slim circular polarizer to rotate independently from the rest of the filter holder. To attach the filter holder to your lens, first identify the lens's thread size by looking closely at the front face for this symbol and number combination. Next, locate the lens mounting ring and affix it to the lens by threading it clockwise, being careful not to over-tighten. Step-down rings are available separately for lenses with thread sizes smaller than 67mm. With the lens ring set into place, position the filter holder over the lens until it slides into position. Use the tightening knobs at the rear of the filter holder to secure it into place. View Scion 67mm slim circular polarizing filters can also be used with this filter holder. Simply thread it clockwise into the front side of the lens mounting ring. Next, affix the lens ring to your lens, being careful not to over-tighten. Then position the filter holder over the lens, using the tightening knobs at the rear of the filter holder to secure it into place. Once set into position, rotate the control ring on the back of the filter holder to set polarization. The filter holder is compatible with any 75mm wide filter that is 2mm thick. We recommend using View Scion C filters with this holder. When inserting a drop-in filter, take care to hold the filter by its edges and slide it carefully into the first position closest to the lens. For challenging exposure conditions, stacking filters is highly recommended. Remember to place fixed neutral density filters in positions closest to the lens before stacking any graduated filters. This filter holder can be expanded to accept 3 drop-in filters. To expand your filter holder to accept a third drop-in filter, place the 75mm holder on its face. Next, use the included hex key to remove the hex screws at the rear. Once the screws are removed, separate the holder from the filter rails and organize them into their individual pieces. Next, add the additional filter rails, included with your filter holder kit, to each group, taking care to ensure that all the rails are facing the same direction. Each rail is indexed to fit with the other to make this process easier. Also, make sure to check that the rail with the brass rings is in the front position of each group. Lastly, use the additional hex screws included with your filter holder kit to reassemble the filter holder. Made from the finest materials and crafted with care from start to finish, the View 75mm professional filter holder is the epitome of passion, craftsmanship, and quality.